It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello friends. Today I will show you a new cheat for Dota 2. Its installation is very simple. You need to install the VC drivers that are in the archive with the cheat. Launch anti-vamp. Run the cheat in Dota 2. The functions of the cheat include the display of mana bars and ability bars of opponents. You will always know the cooldowns of abilities. It also shows a real hero among illusions. Shows with a special effect whether the enemy sees you. Very useful for invisible characters. Constant display of the experience radius and the attack radius of the towers. Displays abilities flying at you which allows you to dodge. The cheat unlocks the display of teleports and other hidden particles in the fog of war. For example, the use of abilities, Blink Dagger, Farm Forest Creeps,